The Blackview A95 is a brand new flagship-looking smartphone from Blackview that officially debuted today. The smartphone comes with various discounts and early bid offers only on AliExpress. Under the various offers, you can get the smartphone for as low as $139.99. The deal starts today and ends on 23 February. The smartphone features a 6.5-inch display and 720 by 1600 pixel resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. It runs on the Helio P70 chips. It comes with a huge 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The smartphone features a 20-megapixel Sony sensor that gives you great shots even in low light, and for your selfies you have a 8-megapixel sensor on the front. A Blackview A95 runs on Android 11 based on the OS 2.1. It is all powered by the 4380 mAh battery, which gives you up to 7 hours of HD movie streaming and 25 hours of music playback, and there is also a built-in powerful box speaker. The smartphone also supports 80 watts fast charging that can charge your phone from 0 to 60% in approximately 41 minutes. This smartphone is only 8.45mm thin and weighs only 195 grams. Blackview is releasing A95 in 3 gorgeous colors: Summer Ocean Blue, Aurora Night Black, and Fantasy Galaxy Rainbow. A Blackview A95 will be available with some early bid offers and discounts to 23rd. You can get the smartphone for only $139.99 with a $10 coupon. The official sales links are below this video. Be sure to visit them and grab your new Blackview A95 today. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.